place at Kigali Parent.
Reception na dote niho bizobera.
And the reception and also the
Hanyuma
introductory
gusezerana
wedding.
bizobera hano muri iri kanisa.
And holy matrimony will be here in the church.
aba fite ubukwe mu minsi ya hafi.
I want to welcome people who are preparing to have weddings soon.
Kabaze tubasengera umugisha.
Kindly step forward so that we might bless them and show them to the church and continue with our program.
Dufite byishimo Didier na Kanyana Ange.
Byishimo Didier and Kanyana Ange.
Ndinzumukiza Egide and Ngabire Divine.
Ndinzumukiza Egide and Ngabire Divine as well.
Mukama Clement.
Mukama Clement.
Kanyanebuka Solange.
And also Solange.
Reka nsabe Pastor Kado. Mushumba Kado ngwino basabira umugisha.
Pastor Kado, please come forward and pray for them a blessing.
Turaberekana.
We are showing them to you
kugira ngo itorero bashigikire
so that you might support
haba mu
them
buryo bw'amafaranga
financially
ndetse no mu bundi buryo bwose.
and also in other ways.
Tuzabatahira ubukwe.
And also attend their weddings.
Imana ibahe umugisha.
May God bless you. May He bless them.
Babanza bakatubwira umunsi w'ubukwe.
They can tell us their programs
bakatubwira n'amazina yanyu
and their names,
hanyuma tukabahesha umugisha tubasengera.
and we pray for them a blessing.
Murakoze. Nitwa Byishimo Didier. Fiancé wanjye yitwa Kanyana Angel. Dufite ubukwe ku itariki 11. Deo tuzabera kuri Excella. Bazadusezerana hano. Hanyuma reception dusubire Excella. Twifuje kubatumira muzabane natwe Imana ibamugisha.
They want to welcome you in their wedding. They have a wedding on 11th. The holy matrimony will be here and other celebration will be at Excella.
Yes, Ashimye.
Praise be to Jesus.
Nitwa Ingabire Divine.
Names are Ingabire Divine.
Fiancé wanjye ntabwo yabonetse yitwa Ndizumukiza Egide.
The fiancé is not here.
Dufite ubukwe le 18 z'ukwa 10.
We have a wedding on 18th.
Dot na reception bizabera kuri Excella.
Excella will have the introductory wedding.
Hamwe church izabera hano muri Foursquare Gospel Church.
And church service will be here in the church.
Twifuje kubatumira.
We want to welcome you.
Muzaze tubane muduheshe umugisha murakoze.
Kindly be with us and support us.
Murakoze cyane. Amazina ni Mukama Clement.
His name is Mukama Clement.
Dufite ubukwe ku itariki 18 z'ukwezi kw'icumi.
They have a wedding on 18th of October.
Fiancé wanje ntiyabonetse.
The fiancé was not able to attend the service.
Ubukwe buzabera hano Kigali Parent.
The wedding will take place at Kigali Parent.
Reception na dote niho bizobera.
And the reception and also the
Hanyuma
introductory
gusezerana
wedding.
bizobera hano muri iri kanisa.
And holy matrimony will be here in the church.
Rero turabiyegereje mwese hatabuze n'umwe.
We welcome you, all of you.
Bizadushimisha kubana Imana ibamugisha.
It will be a pleasure to be with you.
Urakoze. Ufite impamvu ituma aba bantu tutabasezeranya.
If you have a reason for us not to wed them,
azoze muri administration cyangwa mu pasiteri.
come to pastors or administrators and explain.
Nidusange iyo mpamvu ariko kuri.
If your reason is valid,
tuzobabwira abanze kuja kwikemura.
you will tell them to wait and first attend to that.
Kandi dusanga atari ukuri.
And if it's not valid,
tuzomenya ko uwo muntu gusa ashatse kwica ubukwe.
we will know that you want only to destroy the wedding.
Tuzomubabarira.
We just forgive you.
Ariko tubashigikire.
But let's support them.
Tubasengere.
Pray for them.
Kandi tukore ico dusabwa.
And also do what we should do.
Reka mbasabe tuzamura ibiganza byacu
Let's
kitorero.
lift our hands.
Turagushimiye Imana Data. Turagushimiye muri uyu mwanya mwiza. Turagushimiye kubw'ubukwe bw'abana bacu. Barakuraritse mu bukwe bw'Ikana, uremera urahaba. Uhakora ibimenyetso n'ibitangaza. Natwe mwami turakuraritse muri ubukwe bw'abana bacu. Uzuhakora imirimo n'ibitangaza. Turagushimiye ku byagezweho. Tukuragije n'ibiri imbere bitaragerwaho byose bigerweho kuko birimo. Urakoze. Turagushimiye kubaremeye amashimwe. Natwe nk'abavandimwe babo tuzafatanya kugushima uriya munsi niwagera. Izina ryawe rihimbazwe. Urakoze mwami mu izina rya Yesu.